I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying hardware and carrier readiness. Check that your phone supports 5G SA or NSA and that VO LTE or VO NR is enabled. Without voice over 5G capability, you'll fall back to 4G. Once done, enable 5G and VO LTE in settings and reboot if necessary to register with the network. Make sure you have a current 5G SIM and an active data plan. Then close heavy background apps and stay plugged into power so signal and performance remain steady during testing. Now configure and test in real conditions. Switch network mode to 5G/auto. If your OS has developer options or a field test menu, force a 5G connection to observe behavior. Place a voice call while running a background speed test or a low-latency stream to validate simultaneous data. Watch handover events. If the call drops to 4G, your device or carrier is not using VO NR. Keep an eye on IMS/VO NR indicators and the signal bars so you can correlate drops with network state. Finish by optimizing and documenting results. If voice or data fails during calls, toggle VO LTE or VO NR off and on, re-register on the network, and install any carrier setting or OS updates. If problems persist, swap in a different 5G SIM or try another 5G device to determine whether the carrier or your handset is at fault. Keep a short log of call times, signal strength, and any error messages. If you still can't resolve it, contact carrier support with those details for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.